So in this video it was meant that I should unbox these two new watch bands for the Apple Watch, but unfortunately something happened with the recording, so I have already unboxed them now, but I will do it as good as I can anyway, and then later on try it on my Apple Watch. We have both a new sport loop called Sunflower, as you can see on the small label there, Sunflower. And this is a sport loop watch band for the Apple Watch. This is a brand new color. There is also a new watch face for Apple Watch called Sunflower now in the latest version of watchOS. And we also have the product red for the Sport Loop version. This is also new for the Sport Loop version. As you can see here on the label, Apple Watch 44mm red Sport Loop. So this is the product red and this is the Sunflower. So let's start by taking out the Sunflower version. As I said, I have already sadly unboxed these, but I was quite impressed by this. Really nice color. I really love this watch band. It looks so good. Really nice color. So Sunflower, I was quite impressed by. This color is nice. It will be very interesting to see this on the watch itself then. So that was the Sunflower. Now the product red version. And sadly I have already unboxed this. As you can see, we have a guide on how to mount it on the watch and on how you mount it on your wrist. We have that always when you unbox these. And as you can see here, we have the product red version. And as you can see, it looks gorgeous. That too, as you can see here, the product red logo looks really nice. I love that color, really love that color. So both this looks actually quite gorgeous. So now let's try and mount these on my Apple Watch. So let's remove this really beautiful watch band. This is my favorite, it's so beautiful. So let's try the Sunflower version first. Like so. And as I said, there is also a watch face called Sunflower now in the latest watchOS version. Wow, I really love this. As you can see, it looks gorgeous. That's a really beautiful watch band. Really beautiful watch band. I love it. Looks great. So that's the Sunflower Sport Loop. Let's try the product red version Sport Loop. So here we have the product red Sport Loop. Like so. And then check this out. Wow! As you can see, that one looks gorgeous too. Really nice. I love that band too. Looks great. So, And by the way, as I said before, I have bought a lot of different watch bands during the years, and I can actually feel that even as this is for a 44mm, they are a bit shorter now when I have it on the wrist. So these will probably fit my wife's wrist a bit better because she has very small wrists. So I think that's great, because my wife wants to have the larger watch, the 44mm, but then she can't buy shorter watch bands. But this feels a bit shorter actually, so that's great. Really great actually. So now I have unboxed these 2 times actually and try them on my watch. Which of them do you like the most? Personally, I like this the most, of course, because this is a leather link watch band and I really love the design and the look of this one. So personally, this is my favorite by far. Looks so good. Really, really nice. But tell me in the comments which you like the most of these two, the Sunflower Sport Loop or the Product Red Sport Loop. Okay, bye.